Hello! Do you ever look out into the ocean and wonder what's out there? Like what's really out there? What's lurking beneath the water? Well, in today's video, I'm going to make a sea creature using a real seashell, some different shades of green Premo Sculpey, and a couple of glass beads I want to use for the eyes. So the first thing I'm going to do is roll out a few tentacles, and then I'm going to make a couple of eye stalks. Now originally I was going to have the eyes be the same size, but then I decided it'd be more interesting to have them two different sizes, and so I switched out my little glass beads here, using a ball tool to open up the end of the eye stalk, insert my glass bead, get it in there kind of deep. It's got these little holes on it because it's made for like necklaces and bracelets, so I want to make sure those holes are covered. Once I think I have figured out what's going to work, I'm putting some oven bake clay adhesive in there, so when I bake these, hopefully everything sticks together. Add a little more clay adhesive and get those tentacles in place. I thought it would work to have the two eye stalks and the four tentacles. Looks like that's what I had room for, and I think it worked out quite nicely. Now, if you're enjoying this content and you want to see more sculpting videos, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell. It really helps out a lot. Now, before I bake this guy, I want to rest his tentacles on some aluminum foil to raise them up so they're not just all laying flat. Now I'll go ahead and bake him according to package instructions. Now, I would like my little sea creature to be very, very shiny, so I'm going to use some Sculpey gloss coat on him, get him all covered. Then I'll let that dry overnight and we can take a look at the finished shell monster. All right, here he is, and he is shiny. Absolutely love it. I love mixing up different shades or different colors of Premo Sculpey together to like almost a marbled effect, a swirled effect, I guess. And so it's not a solid color. And I think that's a lot of fun, and it makes it really interesting when using colored clays. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short video on making this shell monster. If you have ideas for future videos, please leave it in the comments down below. And be sure to check out one of my other videos or this amazing playlist here. All right, well, thanks for watching. And remember, never stop creating. Bye.